Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to make a Stormy look on your images using Google Pixel smartphone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to make a Stormy look. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side of this image. Tap on the edit option and scroll down towards right to reach the Stormy option. Tap on the Stormy. Now your image is turned into a Stormy look. By doing this, you can make your any images on a Stormy look. Tap on the Save Copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your gallery. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.